Taza, can you just go a little bit over that with me?
All right.
Okay, balance yourself up.
Yeah.
Now get your pressure equal. Here.
Whoa.
I'm just going to wait for Murtaza to move over.
Okay.
I don't want you to be exposed.
All right.
Okay, balance yourself. Sit back. Sit back. That's good. Sit back.
Okay.
Sit back slowly. Equal pressure. That's good. Balance yourself. Head up. Bend your knees. Whenever you stop, you got to bend your knees. You straighten them, you're cooked.
I feel like at that point I have to straighten them out.
If you straighten them, you're gone.
Okay.
Bend them, and stay back from the board. Stay back. Stay back. Your weight in your right foot.
Oh, fuck.
You alright?
Yeah.
You good?
I'm good.
You good?
That hurt.
When you're going across the hill, try to go almost down the hill in that drop.
That hurt.
Almost down the hill in that drop. See, you're on your edge.
Whew.
Go ahead, all the way to the bottom. Let's breathe. Okay, you gotta be across the hill more.
Knock the wind down of me a little bit.
Balance yourself out. Equal pressure.
All right.
Equal pressure. Bend your knees. Bend them, bend them, bend them. Flex with your right foot. Yeah, that's good. Equal. More weight with your right foot. Bang. All equal. You look like you're a sailboat. Ted.
Yeah, no, it's going right back and forth.
That's cool. Is that what you're trying to do?
I'm just trying to get down the hill.
Yeah, you're trying to do is try to leave the weight dead center so that you don't shift at all. Just like that.
Yeah.
Just like that. Keep going like that. Look right. Weight on the right foot and look right. Don't sit down. I missed that until you sat down. Almost there.
Whew. Okay. I'm just trying to stay away from that ledge over there.
That may be interesting. Yeah. Keep looking right. Keep weight on your right foot. Weight on the right foot. That way. Yeah. Sit back. Sit back. Sit back. Sit back. Weight on the right foot.
Wow. Whew. Thank you.
Bend your knees. Sit back. Sit back. And bend your knees. Sit back. Sit back. Sit back. Sit back. Sit back.
Am I-
Yourself out and come walk in.
Am I not supposed to lay down?
Strap yourself out and come on into the
Okay. All right, that was my second attempt. Actually was better than the first attempt. That was a good stop. Hey, I think I got that on film too. Yeah, I did. I see you're walking down. What's wrong with you?